today we're going to show you how to make your own origami paper mask. Okay, so to start with you need a scissors, a stapler, a ruler, a pencil, A4 piece of paper and some string that you have lying around. Okay, to start, fold your piece of paper in half long ways. You're going to make a mark 3 centimeters down on the top corner on each side. Fold it back in half. Oops, should have done it on this side of the paper. 12 centimeters down on the folded side. And you're going to draw an arc connecting the two dots from one to the other. Once you've done that, you're going to cut it out. There you go, dispose of that piece. Now you have the template for your mask. Fold back, connecting your dots 3 centimeters and your 3 centimeter one again, straight across the top. You're going to have 2 folds. That fold, that fold. Now you're going to make the 3D structure. You're going to do that by folding back almost about 3 centimeters down here, back up, and create a nose along the folded point. Fold it flat, do the same this side, fold it back there, tuck underneath almost like a pleat, ease it into a point along that top fold, and there you've got your 3D structure. Cut 2 30 centimeter straps. Staple them on the inside. You can double it up if you like. Another nice thing with this mask is you could do it 2 layers. You could use cotton towel, paper towel inside. Anything really. What we're showing you is how to get the structure. There's your mask. Simple as that. And then put it onto your face, tie a knot at the back. And you have an origami paper mask.